Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. So today I came out and we have another problem with the boiler. Sounds like fairing in the circulator pump. Luckily I have a backup pump, so we're going to change it here. So the first thing I need to do is go up into the house and unplug the boiler. So I'm going to get that done and I'll be right back. Right, I am back. So, anytime you're working on a boiler and it has super hot water, well, 180 degrees, gotta be very, very careful because it will burn you. So I'm gonna shut off the flow there, shut off the flow here, and the way I have it, I can do this. And it'll drain out all the water from the tube. And I have one down here. And then the way that works, there'll be no water in this part of the tube here, so that I can remove the pump or work on it, and then I don't have to worry about hot water coming down or on me. Nice little setup I got there. Well, I didn't do it. The guy who had the boiler before me did it. One thing I do wish I had was an on-off switch here for the pump, so I didn't have to go into the house and unplug the whole boiler. But that's something I can do later on. So I'm going to remove these bolts here, and we'll get it off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I got them loosened up. Let the water drain out here. Remember, be careful, it is hot if you're going to ever do any of this kind of stuff yourself at home. If you're not comfortable with it, do call an expert. So, I can't really do this one-handed. It'll be a pain in the butt, and this is really hot. I need to go get some gloves. So I'll be right back. I'm going to get this pump out, and then we'll get the new pump up there and wire it in. We'll be good to go, hopefully. So, I'll be right back. Alright, I have the old pump all out, all taken out. Here's the cord. So now, I'm going to put in the replacement Taco pump. That was a Grundoff. Or however you say it. You can tell the difference between them because the Tacos are normally this greenish color. And the Grundoffs, or Grundoff Alpha, I think the Alpha ones are this is one of them, are all red. So, I'm going to get the new pump up there and wire it up, and I'll show you what it all looks like when we're done. Alright, so I got it back in. I opened the pump, or the hose, or the lines, so water is in there. Nothing looks like it's leaking. So that's good. So next we're going to wire it up. I'm going to use my Wago wire nuts just to connect the wires up, make it easy. So they're really cool. Instead of the screw-on kind, which I think can come off real easy, these actually lock. You pull the thing up, push it down and it'll lock on there. So, and they'll work up to 20 amps. They make them in 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think a 6 one. So, I'm going to use that to hook up the 2 power lines, and I'll just screw the ground wire right into there. So, when I get that all done, I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll be right back. Alright, we got it all wired up. So, I'm going to go turn it on up in the house and we'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. Alright, we are good to go. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is running. So, that'll get us through till the summer. It's always good to make sure when you have something like this to have a backup circulator pump and a backup blower for the front door in case it goes out when it's really cold. So that in a situation like this, you don't have to wait for a repair guy to come out and end up freezing inside. So I hope this helped you out. If you guys have a similar problem, in the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.